All right, dads, let's talk burgers. Not the soggy drive-thru kind your kids leave half-eaten in the back seat. No, today we're making a real one of Smashburger so good it might just become your new dad's superpower. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be smashing burgers better than your neighbor Dave. You know, the guy who still thinks ketchup is a spice. Step 1. The meat. First, we're starting with ground beef. Not that 90-10 lean stuff. Get yourself 80-20. We want fat, flavor, and a little bit of guilt. That's how you know it's good. Portion it out into loose 2.5 to 3 ounce balls. Don't overthink it. This isn't rocket science, it's dad science. Tip: don't pack them tight. You're not making meatballs, champ. Step 2, the smash. Now heat up a cast iron skillet until it's hotter than your toddler's tantrum at bedtime. No oil, this pan needs to be dry and angry. Drop those beef balls on and smash them hard with a heavy spatula or burger press. Press down for a good 10 seconds. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of your next favorite meal. You want that Maillard reaction, the fancy word for crispy burger magic. Step 3. Season like a pro. While it's cooking, hit it with salt and pepper. That's it. No need for steak rubs or secret spices passed down from Viking ancestors. Keep it simple. You're going for that golden brown crust. Trust the process. Don't flip it too early, or the burger gods will frown upon you. Step 4. Cheese. After about 90 seconds, flip it. Toss on a slice of good old American cheese, the melty kind that sticks to your soul. If you're feeling extra, double stack it. We're not here to make diet food, we're here to make dad fuel. Step 5. The build. Toast your buns, preferably potato buns in the burger fat. Yes, that's legal. Add a simple burger sauce, mayo, ketchup, a dash of mustard, maybe a pickle juice, whisper. Stack it up. Burger, cheese, more cheese. Add pickles, maybe a thin slice of onion. No lettuce, this ain't a salad. And there you have it, the smash burger that might make your grill cry tears of joy. It's fast, it's easy, and it absolutely slaps. If you like this video, smash that like button harder than we smash that patty, hit subscribe for more dad-friendly eats, and drop a comment with your favorite burger topping, unless it's pineapple. We don't talk about that here. Subscribe for more dad-fueled recipes.